Hello, thanks for stopping by. My name's Michael and I'm on a mission to rebuild, restore and return to full working order a 100-year-old Wurlitzer 105 band organ, also known as fairground organs or carousel organs. Not this thing. This is a replica of a 105 that I've been building for the last 20 years. Coincidentally, it's the exact model of the one which I'm going to restore. While I was looking for parts online, I found a gentleman who had a lot of parts and we agreed a price and he shipped them to me in a small container. Turned out it was an original 100-year-old Wurlitzer 105. In pretty poor condition, all in pieces, damaged by water and fire, and I had a look at it to see if I could restore it. I think I'll be able to. I'll let you be the judge of that. Here's how it started.
Shed my skin. It's time now to begin again, begin again. Solar spin, just a sentimental paraffin, begin again. Follow me down, I took a leap, I'm in the deep end now. I couldn't breathe on the surface, and I was so proud of living free, but with no way out. I took
So as you can see, I've got my work cut out for me. I have lots more footage of the work that I've been doing on the 105, and I'll be making some more videos in the very near future. I hope they'll be a little bit better quality than these ones. I'm learning as I go. If you're at all interested in mechanical musical instruments or just want to see a wonderful historical cultural artifact being brought back to life, then please like and subscribe. You know how YouTube works. Well, that's all I've got for you for the moment. In the wonderful words of that crazy YouTuber Adrian Bliss, keep on believing, make all the things, and have fun during the day. Goodbye.